apply two method. Yes, so Pushpa, I told you, you can apply two method. Either you have to add rupees 14 16 times, or you will have to multiply rupees 14 by 16. But basically, multiplication of 2 digit is not done. Only 1 digit done, na? By 1 digit done. So, you can add rupees 14 how many times? 16 times. Okay. Acha, this one was your homework. I'll check it later. First, let me complete these 3 questions. Okay. Yes, okay. Acha, Onkon Patra beta sit properly. And Avigyan Debatam sit properly. Ha, yes. Acha, Mohammed Tarsid, what are you doing? Sit properly, yes. Ah, yes, Pushpa, you want to say something? Just a minute, I'm coming. Just a minute. These 3 questions in your book. Acha, first one. Pushpak, I'll come to that question. Before that, let me solve these 3. Huh? The first one is given. A boy has 850 paise coins. 50 paise coins. How many? 8. Yes. So that means 150 paise coins. Look. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one. Each is of 50 paise coins. This one also 50 paise, this one also 50 paise. Yes, Tom. Now, what is the question? What is the total value of his coins? Acha, in this answer, you will have to write the answer in paise either as well as in rupee, okay? Aditya, sit properly. Aditya, sit properly, yes. Acha, now look at this. Acha, Pranavi, Otrika, look at this. 50 paise coins are there. If we add 250 paise coins, then we will get 1 rupee, na? Yes or no? Ishan? Look, 250 paise coins. 50 paise plus 50 paise. That means we will get 1 rupee, that is 100 paise. That means 1 rupee. Yes, Tom. So another 250 paise coins. This will also make 1 rupee. Yes. Now look. Another this 250 paise coins. This will make 1 rupee. Yes. And this 250 paise coins. This will make 1 rupee. Now how many total amount? Look, 4 1 rupee coin are there, na? That means 4 rupees. Is it clear to everyone? Otrika, where are you going? At the time of during the class, if you move, you will be marked as absentee, okay? Ah, yes. Sit properly. Acha, Alvira, understood to? Anurag, Rishabh. Again, I am explaining, huh? 850 paise coins. First 50 paise, second 50 paise. Third 50 paise, fourth 50 paise, fifth one, sixth one, seventh one, eighth one. Now look. For this 250 paise coins, we will get 1 rupee. Yes or no? Rishabh, Anurag, Ankon, ha, okay. For another 250 paise, again we will get another 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee. Yes, the value will be 1 rupee. Alvira, Rishabh, okay. For this 250, another 1 rupee. Pushpa, for this 250 paise coins, another. So total value is what? 1 rupee, 1 rupee, 1 rupee, and 1 rupee. 4 rupee, na? Rupees 4. Yes or no? Yes or no? Kushal, Shuprit, Debattam, Ankush. Okay. Just a minute. Understood? Wait for a while. Just a minute. Acha. The another process also you can do, just directly add of this. If we add, then it will be 400 paise, right? Now 400 paise means 4 rupee. Now, what process is easier to you, you can do. Got it? Understood? Okay, now as this is single digit, 850 paise coins are there. So what you can do, instead of doing addition, you can do multiplication also. Okay. Ankan, Avigyan, Aditya, understood? Just like this one. 50 paise coins, how many are there? 8. So just directly this one. 5 8s are 40. This one. This will take less time. As you know the rule of multiplication. Okay. Now here what to do? 8 times, if we add 50 paise, then it will take long time now. Pushpak, Mohammed Tarshid, yes to Lamia. So instead of adding 8 times, we can multiply by 8. Yes or no? This is the concept of table already done in class. So do this one. I hope you have understood the concept. Now look, directly 50 paise multiplied by 8. That one is equal to, this 0 will remain as it is, 808, 5 8s are 40, 400 paise. That one is equal to 4 rupees. Do it fast. Shrevam. Shrevam, understood better? Yes, you want to say something. Just wait, Shrevam. Let me complete this 2. Then I am coming. If you have any doubt regarding this problem, okay? Basically, you want to say that you have followed another method. Acha, okay, Shreya, I am coming. Pushpak done. All the students completed up to this. Rishit, Lamia, Pranavi, Ishan, Ankonjana, Anurag, Mohammed Tarsid, Shuprit, Ankush Guchait. Completed. Anubhav, Kushal, Sholanki, Aratrika, Shuhana, Rishit, Mohammed Riaz, and Alvi Gore. Shuhana beta completed. Devi, Shuhana. Okay, good. Okay, I have seen. Okay, very good. Now the next one. Pranavi, where are you? Pranavi? What are you doing, Pranavi? Sit properly. Okay. Now the next question. Okay. Next question is given. Rina bought books for rupees 40 and notebook for rupees 50. Find the total money she spent. Okay, so what to do? Acha, Aditya, from the beginning you are moving. If you are moving in this way, then you will be marked as absentee. Okay, and I'll remove you from my class. Avigyan, Aditya, be careful. Okay, now look at this. Acha, Shreya, Pushpak, Tarsid, Mohammed Tarsid. Okay, what to do? Just addition. Na? Look, Rina bought books for rupees 40 and notebook for rupees 50. Okay. So, find the total money she spent. Okay, total money, just directly write rupees 40, rupees 50. Then directly just add them. It will be 90 rupees. Complete this one. Complete this one. Avigyan doing, Pranavi. Acha, don't think that here in this chapter only money related addition and subtractions are there. So we will do only addition or subtraction. Okay, no, you can do multiplication also, as we have learned all the things. whatever is easier to you, because in the exam it will not be mentioned that which process you will have to do. Okay. Acha, now look. This one done to. Listen, now listen to me. Can a multiplication, why not addition? This one done or not? Already here have written each star. Here have 4 people 6 here. Yes, 18. But Pushpa, Shreyam understood, beta. Shupri. Shreyam, I am coming. Shupri. Ishan, Pranavi, Otrika, Aratrika, Fahim Ahmad, Ankush Guchait. Okay, good. Sholanki, Aratrika, Danto. Okay, good. Acha, now let me unmute Srivam. Wait, good. Rishabh understood to now. Let me do the last one. A girl purchased perfume which cost rupees 80. She paid rupees 100 to the shopkeeper. Okay, that means she purchased a perfume. Okay, but that cost rupees 80. And the girl gave to the shopkeeper rupees 100, but is 100 is the cost of that perfume? No, na? Basically the cost is rupees 80 though. So definitely the shopkeeper will return some amount to the girl. Yes or no? Alvira, Onkon, Jana and Patra. Yes. Okay, so how much amount that girl will get as return amount? Okay. So Anurag, Rishabh, what to do? Same. Rishabh, addition, subtraction, which one? Subtraction, huh? Good. Very good. Okay, so just write rupees 100. Very good. Write the answer in proper way. Put the minus sign, okay? 20 rupees. They will have to, acha, that person will have to return to the girl. Do this one first. Pranavi, Lamia, Danto. Now some extra question I will do in copy. Before that, let me explain these two again. Pranavi, with whom you are talking? Every day, every time. Acha, Aditya, understood, beta? Okay, good. Acha, now let me explain these two questions. Shreyam, listen to me very carefully. Huh? This one is given 1 kilogram wheat cost rupees 14. So what will be the cost of 16 kilogram of wheat? Okay. So basically, Shreyam, what to do? 14 rupees 14 is the cost of 1 kilogram wheat. Acha. The cost of 16 kilogram. 1 kilogram rupees 14. If we take another 1 kilogram, then another rupees 14 we have to pay. Another 1 kilogram, another rupees 14 we have to pay. That means 16 times we have to add rupees 14, because 16 kilogram we are taking now. So 16 times we have to pay. But instead of adding these 16 times, it will take long time now. So that's why we will multiply this 14 rupees by 16. Got it? But as multiplication by 2-digit number, probably till now it is not done. Na? So I am telling you, if you add this, it will be much better, because only you have completed the multiplication by 1 digit, single digit number. Okay. Now Shreyam understood the better. Acha, okay. Now this one, Pushpak, listen to me very carefully. You had doubt in it. 50 paise coins. 50 paise coins a child has, and 5 20 rupee coin. 20 rupee coins. How many are there? 5. So into 5. Yes, to Pushpak. Pushpak, where are you? Let me check. Just say yes or no. 5 rupee coins to. Good. Okay, so 5 to the 10. It will be 100 rupees. Or you can put this RS dot. Okay. Pushpak, understood? Now 100 rupees are there. Plus, acha, this one not 50. I have written 50. Sorry, this one will be 25 paise. Huh? 25 paise. That means this 100 rupees plus 25 paise. So ultimately total will be what? Rupees 125 paise. 100 rupees and 25 paise. Understood to all the student? Mohammad Tarsir, Devi, Shrevam, understood? Okay, beta, good. Now, everyone take out your copies. All of you take out your copy. Devi, I am coming. Before that, take out your copy. Pushpak, I'll come back to you. At first, let me complete the syllabus, beta. Yes. Okay. Take out your copy first. There is no doubt though in this page. No doubt though. Acha, okay. Good. Acha. Rishabh, Alvira, Ankon, Debatam, Shuprit. Okay. Anurag, Ankon, Jana. Okay. Acha, now look at this. Acha, adding of paise and rupees together. How to do? Suppose it is given 2 rupees. Acha, you can give heading extra sum. Okay. Number 1. All of you give heading, then I'll start. What happened, Alvira? Don't move from your place. Okay? Bring closer in front of the camera. Bring closer. Acha, what you have done in class, acha, no need to write this one. Huh? Right now, at first write extra sum, then 1. Which I am explaining in the box, no need to write. Huh? Acha, if it is given, Ankol, that means how many rupees and how many paise? Say 3 rupees and 51 paise, na? Yes or no, everyone? Yes, to Rishabh, हाँ, okay. So the same thing here we are breaking it, na? From our rupees we are breaking into 2 parts. Now what will we do? This breaking part will be given. We have to add them and we have to combine them. Got it though? We have to combine them. Look, you have given heading to extra sums. Now the first one, how to combine? Look, 6 rupees, 23 paise. Okay. Now we'll have to combine them. Is equal to rupees dash. These are important for your exam also. Huh? Be careful. Don't make any mistake. We will have to just combine. 6 rupees is there. So put 6 first. Then put point, decimal point. Then this 23 paise. Got it? How to combine? Alvira, understood? Understood तो? Avigyan, Aditya, Pranavi, Otrika, Aratrika, Anurag. Understood? 5 Mehmet. Okay. Ankon completed. Write the next one, huh? Next one. 25 rupees. 25 rupees. And 16 paise. Combine it. Combine is equal to rupees. Dash. 25. Look at this. 25 rupees is there. So just put 25. Then decimal point, that point. Then 16 paise. Is it clear to all of you? Ankon, Hai Mehman, Rishabh, okay. Anubhav, Devattam, Shuprit, Ankush Guchait, understood? Mohammad Riaz, Sholanki, Kushal, Ishan. Shanvi, Sheikh Jisham Ali, Kushal, Shuhan, understood the beta? Alvi and Aratrika. Acha, okay. Wait a minute, yes, show me your... Ishan, Mohammad Riaz, got it? Okay, good beta. Now the third one. Just a minute. 12 rupees. Acha, in place of and, I am putting plus. 12 paise. Same thing, huh? Don't make any mistake. Look at this. Achha, just wait for a minute. Let me write paise properly. Okay, now look at this. Ishan, what to do? If we are giving plus here in place of and, the same thing, huh? Same thing. Understood too? Complete this one first. Lamia, Sholanki completed. Sholanki? No, Acha. Okay, I'm waiting. Don't worry. Okay, now look at this. The fourth one, huh? 7 rupees. And 6 paise. So give me some time. We are totally dependent on our technical areas. Okay, now look at this. Acha, here basically one interesting thing is there. Look at this. Shuprit, this one 7 rupees though. So we will put, there will be decimal place point. Before point, we will have to put that rupees 7 rupee. But after point, to the right side, we will have to put paise. But always paise will be in 2-digit form. But here only 6 is given, single digit na. So always put that 6 in the last place. It will be 06. Got it though? Everybody, Anubhav, Sholanki, understood? Shanvi, Pushpa, Devi, Shreyam, Otrika, Aratrika, understood? Acha, Aditya, basically, if it is 2 place given 16 paise, then it will be very much easy. Here 1, here 6. But suppose it is single digit number. Suppose 9 is given there. That means 09 we will have to consider. If we put, suppose this one, 7 rupees, 6 paise. 7 rupee and 6. If you put in this way, 60, then it will be 60 paise. It will be totally wrong, huh? This one is the correct one. Do this one first. No need to write this one. Completed. Now I'll check the copy, huh?